viewers, welcome to my channel AHP Education. Today we are going to learn how to use has, have and had in a very simple and easy way. If you want to speak English confidently, you must understand these words. So let's get started. Use of has. First, let's talk about has. We use has with singular objects. Singular means one person, one place, or one thing. Examples: she has a cat, he has a new car, my brother has a laptop. Remember, he, she, it, and one person's name we use has. Use of have. Now, let's see have. We use have with plural subjects and also with I and you. Plural means more than one. Examples: I have a big dream. You have a beautiful smile. They have many friends. We have a nice house. Remember, I, you, we, they. We use have. Use of had. Next is had. We use had for the past, something that already happened. Examples: she had a doll when she was a child. I had a bicycle last year. We had a great time at the party. Remember, in the past, for everyone, singular or plural, we use had. Quick summary: has, present tense with singular. Have, present tense with plural I and you. Had, past tense with everyone. Thank you so much for watching my video.